Look where life has brought you. Back to me. To learn assembly. Part 2. Still nothing complex yet, so we're still just setting up some stuff so we can run our code. For the first part of the series, I'll be using Linux, or at least a Linux environment, because it is much more easier to introduce assembly through Linux. There are multiple ways to get your hand on a Linux environment. You can either use virtual machine or maybe just install Linux as your main driver. But because I love Microsoft, I'll be using Windows operating system. And through the WSL feature, I'll be able to run our code. If you don't know what WSL is, well, sucks to be you. For those that want to follow along, you can install WSL here from this page. But if you're not a nerd, you can just open up PowerShell as administrator and run the following command. This would install the default subsystem, Ubuntu. Once it's done installing and you've already created your account, you can open WSL with the credentials that you've set. I know all this looks very spooky, but don't be afraid yet. There are more commands to be run. On the Linux terminal, write this command. This would install all the necessary packages that is required to run your assembly code. Now, just wait till it's done. Once it's finished, then congrats, you've done something. Well, that's it for this video. Goodbye.